Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Yes, yeah. Hello. Yes, yes. Thank you for your question. My book is about the the relationship between mass and energy. How mass defect results in the generation of energy. Uh, According to my research, mass defect in a nuclear reaction uh, explode, and this explosion provides kinetic energy to the reaction products. In fact, in a nuclear reaction, the release of energy demonstrates or appear in the form of the kinetic energy of the reaction products. Uh, in fact, in a nuclear reaction, energy released as photons, the kinetic energy of the reaction products, the daughter nuclei, neutrons, and other particles. So, majority of more than 80% of the energy is released in the form of the kinetic energy of the reaction products and uh, photons, neutrinos, all that. If now when we consider about the photon, charged particles, when charged particles vibrate or excite, it emits photons. So, at the fundamental level, the emission of photon also is a physical process. So, if you see very closely, when you look very closely, all the form of energy released in a nuclear reaction is you can trace back to is a mechanical process. Emission of photons because of the vibration of or excitation of the uh, charged particles. So kinetic energy of the photons, kinetic energy of the particles. We can trace this all the. Sorry, I want to stress is that I am not an English speaker, so I am not very fluent in English. So, but I hope you can understand my English. Uh, in my book, if you, I am confident in my writing. So in my book, you will get a better understanding. But I, uh, uh, so the uh, my proposed hypothesis that the exploding mass defect hypothesis. In the hypothesis, I propose that mass defect in a nuclear reaction is explosively transformed, and this explosion propels the reaction products. There are numerous evidences which supports this idea. I propose experimental methods to empirically validate my hypothesis, uh, phonon detection and acoustic waves detection. In fact, when a mass defect happens, it creates a micro explosions. Each radioactive nucleus, creates a microscopic explosion, and this explosion creates acoustic waves and phonon signals. So we can detect these signals that confirm the explosion of the missing mass. So this uh, uh, I recently published another book which with the title of a call for when a explosion happens, uh, not all energy is converted into, for example, consider a bomb, for example, or a firecracker. When it explodes, is not 100% of energy is converted into, or the is not a completely 100% efficient. Explosion is not 100% efficient uh, uh, when it expels, or when it gives kinetic energy to the fractions, the fragments is not 100%. Yeah, that is correct. I think that is correct. So this explosion, we can detect the effects of this explosion. We can detect in various ways. So this suggests that mass defect, in fact, is explode instead of the conversion of mass into energy, as Einstein suggests in his special theory of relativity. So it has a huge significance. It has a huge significance because the mass defect is a universal phenomenon. It happens every active stars, every neutron star collisions, black hole mergers, supernova explosions, all these events, and probably and other phenomenon. For example, when debris, when an asteroid impacts and collision of stars, or uh, uh, probably there may be other phenomena in the universe which also results in the generation of mass defect, creation of mass defect. So mass defect is a universally occurring phenomenon. So that means if mass defect is explosively transformed into another form of matter, it suggests that the universe, the entire universe, is filled with this type of matter. So this can explain, it can provide a new insight into all phenomena which are we currently look through the lens of the special and general theory of relativity. For example, time dilation, increasing of mass of a moving body, length contraction, and precession of the perihelion of Mercury's orbit, uh, uh, and so many other phenomena. Yeah, universal speed limit, wave-like behavior of matter. All these we can trace back to the presence of this space-filling matter. So if the space-filling matter is confirmed, it can provide a new insight into all phenomena which are currently we relied to find explanation on a special and general theory of relativity, and the wave-like behavior of matter. If space is filled with a form of matter, then when a particle is accelerated, it will constantly collide with the particles of space-filling matter, and because of that reason, a particle such as an electron or any other particle, it cannot travel in a straight line. So once we confirm the existence of the space-filling matter, it will it will completely revolutionize all the physics concepts. For example, the structure of the atom, the propagation of light, quantum entanglement, and the uh, orbital behavior of Mercury and S2 star, the orbital anomaly of the S2 star around the galactic center, and other stars in and dark energy, dark matter. Uh, all these thing we can find better, more logical explanation the space Willy matter. So the existence of space Willy matter, we can time there through we can find the effects of this space Willy matter through time dilation effects and uh, uh, electron diffraction experiments, electron diffraction rings. You can find more information, more detailed information. I have published numerous videos on my channel, this channel, uh, uh, discussing about all these things, and recently published some few books. This book is my latest book. Mass and energy are distinct. That book is a short book. And now, at present, I am preparing my research paper for peer review. In fact, yes, dark matter. This dark matter, in fact, is a very interesting. It is a very interesting to find the explanation with the help of this spatial matter. In fact, as a form of matter, I'll give a short explanation for what may be the dark matter. Dark matter is or missing matter. In fact, we consider about the mass distribution of our solar system. More than 99% of the total mass of the solar system is concentrated in the central star, that is our sun. The sun consists of more than 99% of the total mass of the solar system. We can observe this thing everywhere in the universe. If you see any star, any star system, we can find that most of the mass will be always concentrated in the central region, that is the central mass alone. So, according to our current estimation, the mass of the galactic center of the Milky Way galaxy is, according to the current estimation, is around 4 million stars, 4 million solar mass. But according to this new concept, that may not be correct, because this is the mass distribution in our solar system or any other solar system will be, the central mass will be much greater than the orbiting mass. So now think about our Milky Way galaxy. According to the current estimation, our Milky Way galaxy consists of 200 to 400 billion stars. If you consider a average star mass is almost the same, if it is same as our sun, that means 400 to 200 to 400 billion solar masses, equal that much mass is orbiting around 4 million solar mass black hole, supermassive black hole, that is a galactic center. That is absolutely according to my studies, it is absolutely not correct. Here, what happens is that in fact, flat rotation curve. I explained in my book. You can read that. I'll explain. My problem is I am not an English speaker, so I have difficulty in explaining. Okay, anyway, I'll try to explain that. As a form of matter, Yeah, I said that every mass defect in the universe are explosively transformed into a super thin form of matter. That means the entire universe is filled with this type of matter. Now, as a form of matter, this space-filling matter will be attracted by massive bodies. For example, our galactic center, because of the gravitational attraction, the galactic center maintains a dense region of space-filling matter around it. So, the nearest star experience when it orbits around the galactic center, it experiences a frictional drag from this space-filling matter. So this is S2 star. The S2 star is the closest star to the galactic center. So when it approaches the density of this spatial matter will be greater near the central mass, and it decreases with the distance. So the S2 star, the closest star to the galactic center, when it approaches the perihelion region, because of the high density of the spatial matter, it experience a high level of frictional drag. So each time when the S2 star approaches the perihelion region, it will skid forward. So this will explain the precession orbit of the S2 star. So here here is the clue because of for the flat rotation curve. We know that naturally we expect the closest orbiting bodies will move faster. But here, because the density, the frictional effect of the space filling matter, orbital speed will be affected by this orbiting the surrounding dense space filling matter. So that will the density will be higher near the central mass, and it decreases the distance. So when you add this to the whole picture, even though the star's speed will be influenced by this space filling matter. So in fact, to figure out the mass of the galactic center, we have to consider the farthest star. The farthest star will be influenced at a lesser extent by the space filling matter. So the the farthest stars, when you to find the mass of the galactic center, you have to consider the farthest star's mass and speed. So with this the farthest star's mass and speed, you will get a better understanding of the galactic center mass. So in fact, the dark mass, in fact, the dark matter is actually it's a technically wrong term, dark matter. In fact, the mass, dark matter, in fact, is the central mass, supermassive black hole itself. In fact, the dark matter or missing mass in a galaxy is situated in the black hole itself. In fact, we have to figure out the mass of the galactic center. We have to consider the speed and mass of the farthest star. So when you consider this, you will get a better understanding of the mass of the real mass of the galactic center. So according to this theory, the dark matter is situated in the black hole itself. So there is no missing mass, there is no dark matter. The fact, the truth, the fact is that the mass of the entire galaxy is much massive than what we think today. Probably probably the total, probably I can say like this: the 99 probably more than 99% of the total mass of the galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy or any other galaxy will be situated in the central mass itself. So that is the explanation for the dark matter. Now we can find explanation for dark energy also. So all this we can once the space-filling matter is confirmed, we can find a better understanding of the universe and gravity. What is gravity? All these we can you will get a better understanding of. Yes, I explained about the black hole in my book. My explanation for the formation of black hole is I can find in my book, and also I published some videos also about my understanding of what may be black holes and the formation of black hole. So that is you can find in my book and also in my videos. In fact, I'm an independent researcher. Uh, I don't have outside support, so uh, I'm developing a new physics. In fact, I believe that the new physics is going to revolutionize uh, uh, every branch of physics, atomic. In fact, if space is filled with a form of matter, it is obvious that the space inside an atom also must be filled with this form of matter. So the structure of the atom, Big Bang theory. I am not a great fan of Big Bang theory because uh, I don't much I don't I am not a big fan of the Big Bang theory. In fact, so uh, thank you for your question. Uh, yes. So I think that physics is going to completely change, completely revolutionize. In fact, the the space will matter, the process of how space will matter is created, and how it is going to impact our understanding of the universe from the atomic structure, even the structure of the proton. A proton or the at a very fundamental level, the electron, the structure of proton, neutron, quark, and all this is going to change according to according to my understanding. Physics is going to face a big, major revolution. Uh, so I'm actually I'm an okay. In fact, I am an independent researcher. I have a lot of books, not lot of paper. I have a lot of books. Sorry, I have a lot of papers, research papers to submit. I am a one man army actually. I am doing research from since a very long years. So in fact, I need support. My source of income, my books are my one of the major source of income. So my if you buy, if you that is my sales, my revenue from my books, all my books and all this are I'm for my research work. I'm as I said, I'm independent researcher. So I have resources, shortage of resources. So okay, I just informed, I just said that. Thank you for your interest. So I think we are going to witness a major revolution in physics very soon. So it is as an independent researcher, it is difficult for me. You know about the peer review process. It will take more time and effort and resources. So I am since I am a one man, I am an independent researcher. So I I thought to publish my books, my ideas, so that it will be available for my viewers or my audiences for study and scrutinize my concepts and criticize. I welcome criticism also. So I am preparing my research paper for peer review, but I have a shortage of resources. Uh, so once I get proper, I need to buy, I need to purchase computer for my research. So that's why I am taking more time, but that is fine. This is a so I recently published many books, uh, and I also have published videos also. So thank you for your interest. Okay. Uh, I have some vision problem. In fact, the letters are very small, so I have some difficulty in reading small letters. Okay. Thank you very much. Your name is not. I can't read your name. Anyway, thank you for your questions. Thank you for joining me. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mike Jones. Thank you very much for your good words. Thank you very much. Mikey Jones. I don't have any ego. I don't know you're saying like that. In fact, I have developed a new theory of light. My previous book, Either Assist, I published another book some 2 years back. In that book, I explain about a new theory of and you can find my videos on the what maybe radio waves, the new explanation for how radio waves are produced. And since radio waves and light are only difference in their wavelengths, so once you figure out what is radio waves, we can understand or get a better understanding of what may be light. So I have published what are radio waves and light. See, this my humble attempt, as Mike Jones says. I don't know why what. Okay, I don't know what is his definition of ego. I don't know. This is my hard work since very long years of work. This is my conclusions. I said yes. I don't know what you mean by ego. I don't know. So this is Mike Jones. I don't know what you are meaning. I don't know. See, everybody has a body language, a way of talking, all that. I said no. English is not my first language. I have a speaking difficulty, and I have to translate from my. Uh, Sorry if you. I'm sorry if you feel I am. I don't know that I am not concentrating. I'm not. That is not my focus point. Ego. That is not my focus point. I think about the nature, space, matter, time, etc. So I know I'm not focus on. I'm not focusing on ego or feelings. That is not uh, my area of interest. So this is a way of my communication I developed since my uh, childhood. I don't know. If sorry for if you feel uncomfortable with my way of presentation, I'm sorry for that. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Your name is not clear. I can't read your name. Thank you. Anyway, thank you for your good words. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mike Jones, also. Mike Jones, come on. Steady state theory. What do you mean by steady state theory? Siri, hello, Siri, hello, 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 hello. Thank you, Sherry. Recently, I published a new book. My first book now that became a many people are buying that. My first book, Either Assist, mostly in my book are by people from USA. USA, my most book sale is now happening from USA. The Either Assist book. The this so thank you very much. Thank you very much, Sherry. Thank you very much. Please convey my regards to your. Uh, thank you very much. Hope you are fine. Hope you both are fine. Thank you very much. Now I am in Bangalore. Now I was in Kerala some time back. Now I am in Bangalore. So I am continuing my research. And as I said earlier, I am not I am not convinced with the Big Bang theory. I think that this Big Bang is not a single Big Bang. Big Bang is happening locally. Probably our local universe will crunch and it will explode in a I don't know a period of time, probably many billions of years. Once in a many billions of years, our universe, our local universe will probably it will contract, crunch, and it will expand. But that is a local Big Bang, not a, I don't believe in a universal scale. Cosmic means the entire universe will contract and expand or shrink and explode. I don't believe in that. Probably this happening, this Big Bang is a local Big Bang. That is my take on this uh, thing. I see. I believe in that that local Big Bang theory, not universal Big Bang theory. So that is more probably because after the thank you, Sherry. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you for your good words. I can't read your name. Thank you very much.